It's just so important to remember that you've got to do what's best for you at where you are in your career. Hey everyone, Travis Spear at Pine Financial Group, where we work together so you succeed. We're just coming off of the 2021 Denver Real Estate Investor Success Summit here in Denver, Colorado. Had a great turnout, had a lot of great speakers. Good to see some fresh faces and be at a live event again. Just really enjoyed the event and a lot of the content that came out of it. Although a lot of the speakers are people that I already know and have seen speak before, it was fun to kind of get a new message out there in the market. And one of the biggest takeaways I had was not only from the event, but the next day I was reading this article about how someone was explaining how you should never pay off your house and you should instead use that money to put money down on rental properties and continue to grow your wealth. But the two things got me really thinking about was how you need to do what's best for yourself. It's so easy when you go to a conference like the Success Summit and you're surrounded by all of these successful investors. There were people there who have never done a deal before and others who were building 300-unit apartment complexes, new construction, also developing infill, wholesaling, flipping, some syndicators, a lot of very successful people. And it's just so important to remember that you've got to do what's best for you at where you are in your career, whether that's house hacking or wholesaling, or it is actually building that 300-unit apartment building. It all further resonated with me when I was watching a short video the following day of a young man explaining why you should never pay off your mortgage and instead leverage it up to buy more rental properties. And while the math will tell you that that's correct, you'll likely do better with appreciation, cash flow, tax benefits, etc. It's just not the same for everyone. And although we often have to compare the math to our gut feeling in real estate, we have to remember that everyone's in a different place. They've got different goals, different objectives, and different ways they might measure success. So as you're continuing your investing here in 2021 and going into 2022, I just would encourage you to find the path that works best for you. Find your niche, find what you're really good at, and just go out there and crush it. You know, another underlying message through the panel that we had at the end of the day was to go find a mentor. The most successful people in real estate almost have all had a mentor at some point in their life. And for a lot of types of real estate, if you're just getting started, especially in a market like today that could be more challenging than previous years, it's important to find a mentor who's done what you've done and can help you to be successful in real estate. You know, I really like the way that it was presented on the panel at the end of the day when it was this, that, you know, I might be happy to mentor you if you bring me some value in a deal. And what that means is not just asking somebody if you can take them out for a cup of coffee or a lunch and pick their brain. What it means is bringing them an active deal or an opportunity or something where they could also benefit. So keep that in mind when asking for somebody's time. As busy as we all are with our work, our families, and other activities, to give up time to talk to somebody who's new or maybe not as experienced in real estate can be a difficult meeting to accept. But if you can bring value to someone and show them that you're willing to put in some time, energy, or help them in their business, you'll have a much higher likelihood of them accepting to be your mentor. Hope you found this video valuable. Thanks again if you did make it out to the Success Summit. Make sure to like, comment, or share with your sphere so that this message can reach as many people as possible. Thanks again, and if there's anything we can help you with at Pine Financial Group, whether that is maybe lining up a mentor or taking a look at a deal or helping you identify where you might want to start in real estate, please do not hesitate to reach out. www.pinefinancialgroup.com.